4 minus 4 equals to 0. 4 divided by 4 equals to 1. And 0 multiplied by 1 equals to 0. But this answer is not correct. According to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, the multiplication and division, they have equal priority and they must be done from left to right, and also they have higher priority over addition and subtraction. In our case, we have multiplication and division and we have subtraction. Therefore, we must do first the multiplication and division from left to right, and only at the end we do the subtraction. So we cannot do the subtraction first and then the division and then combine them because it's easier for us to solve the equation. No, first is the in this situation multiplication, then division, and then the subtraction. Therefore, what we get, as we said, first we do the multiplication. So we get 4 minus 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, and then divided by 4. So now we must do the division. Okay, 4 minus 4. Okay, I'm laughing because it's the same result, but of course this is the correct approach. Why? Because if we had, for example, 6, the result would have been different, but this is the right approach, to first do the multiplication and division and then to do the subtraction. But in this case, yeah, if you had this type of equation at the exam, for sure, I mean, you just needed to check in the box the result, you would have had it correct. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.